Looking to upgrade your home security or never miss a visitor again? Wireless doorbells have come a long way, offering smart features, crisp video, and long-range connectivity without the hassle of wiring. In this video, we're diving into the best wireless doorbells of 2025, perfect for any home setup. Whether you want motion detection, two-way audio, or integration with your smart home system, we've got the top picks that combine convenience, technology, and reliability. Let's ring in the best options that deliver performance and peace of mind right at your front door.
Number 5. Ring Wired Doorbell Pro. Upgrade your home security with the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro, also known as the Video Doorbell Pro 2, offering best-in-class features and advanced technology to keep your home safe. With its superior video quality, innovative motion detection, and seamless integration with Alexa, this doorbell sets the standard for modern home security. Experience unparalleled video quality with the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro's head-to-toe HD video feature. With improved 1536p resolution, you'll enjoy crystal-clear video footage that captures every detail from head to toe. Whether it's identifying visitors or monitoring package deliveries, you'll have a clear view of your doorstep at all times. Advanced motion detection with 3D motion detection and bird's eye view. Stay informed about activity around your home with advanced motion settings and real-time alerts. The Ring Wired Doorbell Pro features 3D motion detection and bird's eye view, providing pinpoint accuracy and aerial views to track motion effectively. Number 4. Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro. Upgrade your home security with the Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro, a cutting-edge solution designed to provide comprehensive protection for your front porch. With its effortless installation, high-definition video capabilities, and advanced features, this doorbell ensures that you can monitor your home with ease and peace of mind. Say goodbye to complicated installations with the Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro. Effortlessly mount this doorbell in under 30 seconds, thanks to its screw-free design. While screws and hard wiring equipment are included for optional installation methods, you can enjoy hassle-free mounting without the need for tools or extensive setup. Crystal clear HD video quality. Experience the whole story with clarity, courtesy of the Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro's 1440 by 1440 Fuller than HD sensor. With 33% more clarity than traditional HD cameras, you'll never miss a detail, whether it's a visitor at your doorstep or suspicious activity in your vicinity. Enjoy crisp and clear video footage that provides a comprehensive view of your front porch area, customizable chime options. Personalize your doorbell experience with the included chime, offering a selection of 20 unique tunes and 8 sound levels. Whether you prefer a traditional ring or a playful chirp, you can find the perfect chime to suit your preferences. Additionally, deter potential intruders with a dog bark sound. Number 3. Google Nest Doorbell. Introducing the Google Nest Doorbell, a wireless doorbell camera designed to elevate your home security to the next level. With its intelligent features and seamless connectivity, this doorbell ensures that you can always stay connected and informed about who's at your doorstep. Say goodbye to false alarms with the Google Nest Doorbell's built-in intelligence. This innovative device can differentiate between a person, package, animal, and vehicle, sending you customized alerts via the Google Home app. Whether it's a delivery person dropping off a package or a furry friend wandering onto your porch, you'll always be notified of relevant activity without the need for a subscription. Live HD video with HDR and night vision. Keep an eye on your doorstep 24/7 with live HD video featuring HDR and night vision capabilities. Whether it's day or night, you'll have crystal clear visibility of your surroundings, ensuring that nothing goes unnoticed. Plus, with 3 hours of free event video history included, you can easily review missed activity directly from the Google Home app. Reliable backup storage. Don't let Wi-Fi outages or power failures leave you in the dark. The Nest Doorbell automatically stores up to 1 hour of recorded events locally, ensuring that you can always access footage even during downtime. This added peace of mind ensures continuous surveillance and eliminates the risk of missing crucial moments. Number 2. Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell. In today's fast-paced world, ensuring the safety and security of your home is a top priority. With the Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell, you can have peace of mind knowing that you have a reliable and advanced security solution at your front door. Before diving into the details, it's essential to highlight the installation requirements for the Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell. This smart doorbell requires existing electrical wiring with a voltage between 16 volts AC and 24 volts AC and a 1 OVA transformer. This ensures a stable power source for uninterrupted functionality, enhanced viewing experience. One of the standout features of the Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell is its impressive 180-degree field of view. This wide-angle perspective allows you to see everything from head to toe, making it easy to identify visitors or packages left at your doorstep. With this comprehensive view, you'll never miss a thing happening outside your front door, crystal clear HD with HDR quality. The Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell provides high-definition HD video with high dynamic range HDR quality. This means you'll get crisp and clear footage, whether it's day or night. Number 1. Eufy Dual Camera Doorbell. Upgrade your home security with the cutting-edge technology of the Eufy Security Video Doorbell S330. This battery-powered doorbell comes with the home base too, offering a wireless solution that enhances your security without the hassle of monthly fees. In this article, we'll explore the impressive features of the Eufy Dual Camera Doorbell and how it provides comprehensive protection for your home. Dual Cam technology. Say goodbye to blind spots with Eufy's Dual Cam technology. The porch view camera ensures that your doorstep is fully visible, eliminating any areas that traditional cameras might miss. With this comprehensive view, you can have peace of mind knowing that your entire front porch is under surveillance. Advanced dual motion detection. False alarms can be a nuisance with traditional motion detection systems. However, with Eufy's advanced peer and radar motion sensors, you can expect accurate detection of both near and far subjects. This innovative technology reduces false alarms by up to 95%, ensuring that you only receive notifications when there's genuine activity around your home. Delivery Guard feature. Never miss a package delivery again with Eufy's Delivery Guard feature.